In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can make number series in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. Open your Google Sheets, okay? So we have this one from here. Now let's just put number 1 in one of the cells. Now let's put this on the center. So using this number, we are going to make a series of numbers like a continuous number that has a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So how can we do that? Locate the control key on your keyboard. Okay, locate the control key. So once you locate the control key, click on that. So while clicking the control key, simply drag this, you see this one, this circle, on the tip of the top, like on the bottom right corner. So drag this circle down up to the desired number that you want, and that's it. You have just created a series of number in Google Spreadsheet. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.